So let's get this out of the way. SMA and RP SMA. SMA male. This is the SMA female. Okay, a SMA male has the pin in the middle, which is easy to recall to. SMA male has the pin in the middle. SMA female has no pin in the middle. A RP SMA male has no pin in the middle, and a RP SMA female has the pin in the middle. So RP, they just reverse it. And I just had to get that out of the way because you have to understand that to deal with this. Basically, when you put on your SMA, your antenna, it's either you're going to use a female SMA or a male SMA. I don't know if you could see it real good, but this one here is the male and female. Okay, so when you're setting up your SMA on your transmitter, you have a choice. Do you want a male SMA or a female SMA? This is what's gonna determine. On your transmitter, you want a male SMA, not a female SMA, because basically putting in the antenna in and out, the female get worn out because the pin is going inside the female and it's spreading it out. That's, I know, don't take that the wrong way, but this is the reality of SMA and male and SMA female. So you want your SMA on your transmitter to be the male and the antenna to be the female, because taking in and out, after a while you're gonna wear out the hole in the female. And that's just the antenna. You could always change. I got a lot of antennas. I could always change antenna. Now, when you wear, if you have the female, your SMA as the female on your transmitter, once you wear that out, you're gonna have to tear it apart and do it all over again. So it's best to have your SMA on your transmitter as the male and your antenna as the female. So that's what the goal is going to be about. Okay, now we can move on to the next step in this. Okay, one more little tip on the SMA and the reverse SMA. Think of it this way. This is the easy way to remember it. Okay, the SMA on the transmitter. Imagine if it's a female, like on this transmitter right here. Now, I didn't understand this, or I wouldn't have put a female on my transmitter. Next time there's going to be a male. But this here, this SMA here is a female SMA, right? So that means the antenna that goes onto it has to be a male, correct? So if I only have a female antenna, right? So I have a female SMA and I have a female antenna. In order for me to connect these two female, there's no pin in the middle. No pin in the middle. So in order to connect the two female together, you need a pin in the middle to connect the two female together. So that's how you get a reverse female SMA having a pin in the middle, because a reverse female SMA is connecting two female together. So in order to connect the two female together, it needs a pin in the middle. So, which is this right here. This is a reverse SMA, a female reverse SMA, because it has a pin in the middle because this pin in the middle will allow me to so this reverse SMA is a female because I'm connecting two female antenna. So this reverse female has to have a pin in the middle so I can connect two female together. That's what I use to remember what they are and how to use them. Okay, so now time to get to work. Time to get crack-a-lacking, as I usually say.